Hello student, welcome to Gardenia Public School. I am your SST teacher Sandeep Srivastava. Today I am continue the explanation of chapter 17. The name of chapter Different Domains of the Earth. This chapter is connected with the continent. So today I will discuss in map about the continent. Okay student, you can see this is the map of continent. There are 7 continents. Okay, according to decreasing order of their size, these are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, and then Australia. Okay student, these are 7 continents. There are large land masses are available. I will tell you about the one by one. First of all, Asia. Asia is the largest continent in terms of both area as well as population. Okay, a major part of this continent lies in the northern hemisphere. As you know that the equator is the line which divides the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and the lower part is called southern hemisphere. In this way, the Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. It is surrounded by Pacific Ocean in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north, and Indian Ocean in the south. This continent is surrounded by these three oceans. Okay student, now it is cover about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth, and in this continent you can see the Tropic of Cancer is the line which passing through this continent. Okay, next continent, Africa. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia, and the major part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere and the some part is lies in the southern hemisphere. Okay student, it is surrounded by Mediterranean Sea. Here is Mediterranean Sea. Okay, you can see in the map, and Red Sea. Okay, and there is a Atlantic Ocean in the west and Indian Ocean in the east. This is surrounded by these three rivers. Okay, it is discovered late 19th century. That's why this continent is called dark continent. In this continent, the largest hot desert found, the name of that desert is Sahara Desert, and the biggest and the longest river Nile flows through this continent. Okay student, now come to the North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It lies completely in the northern hemisphere. Okay, this continent connect with the South America with the land masses, narrow land masses, and this land strip is known as Isthmus of Panama. Okay student, in this continent, the longest river, the name of longest river Mississippi, which flows in this continent, and the highest peak means Denali. The Denali located in USA is the highest peak in the North America. Okay student, the fourth largest continent is South America. It is also lies in the southern hemisphere. There are found Amazon river, world largest river, located here, and there are so many mountains are also found. And then after Antarctica, you can see here Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world. It completely lies in the southern hemisphere. And the South Pole is also lies roughly around the center of this continent. There is no settlement because there is covered with ice. In this continent, there are two research stations of India is located. The first one is Maitri, and the second research station is Dakshin Gangotri is located here. Okay, okay, student. Sixth largest continent is the Europe. You can see this is the Europe. Okay, this is lies in the northern hemisphere, and this is surrounded by Arctic, Atlantic Ocean, and Mediterranean Ocean, and it looks like a peninsula. Okay, here are some mountains are also located, such as Mont Blanc, Mount Elbrus, and except these mountains, Rhine, Rhone, Volga, Don are some main rivers flows in Europe continent. Okay, student. And the last continent is the Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. It lies in the southern hemisphere. It is also called the Iceland continent. The Great Barrier Reef is also found in this continent. Okay, and the capital of this Australia is Canberra. Okay, it is the smallest continent. In this way, all these 7 continents are I have shown in the map. The explanation is continue in the next video. Thank you.